YouTube official! YouTube official! Palm Tree King! I think the best way to start this video would be by giving some history of the 69. Some of you have followed myself and the .NET boys from back in the day. You know the history of the car. The rest of you probably don't. Basically, this car is what made me who I am today. Got my name out in the racing world. I mean, I believe I had this car for almost 20 years. Started out street racing this car on the streets of Queens and Brooklyn. Myself and the rest of the .NET boys pretty much dominated the streets back then. From street racing, I moved into grudge racing at the track, then class racing. We ran some Outlaw 85, ran some X275. Actually had a really good outing in Outlaw 85 with the 26.8.5, setting a track record at ACO about 8-9 years ago. I believe we went 5:18, which back then was pretty fast on that size tire. Unfortunately, we ended up having a real bad month. Along the way, we spun the car around on a 26.8.5 into the wall. After getting that repaired and race ready within 2 weeks, not looking good, but it was race ready. Made our first test hit for X275, and the factory steering column actually locked up and went into the wall again. Basically, the icing on the cake from there was we went back again for Outlaw 85's final race, and the hood blew off, putting the scoop through the windshield. And that was when I decided it's time to wrap it up for this car and move on and build a Mustang and retire this Camaro, because I just didn't want to wreck the Camaro. So that brings us to this video. After sitting for about 7-8 years, figured it's time to get the Camaro back up. Took it out of race trim, you know, made it into a street car, and finally decided let's get it going for the street and make it look pretty again. So that's where we are today. Fortunately, along the way of all this, made some great friends, met a lot of people, and really thankful for everything that's happened since then. So check this out. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Got the little man out there helping me. It's finally happening. We got the car coming apart, getting ready, go for paint. My buddy Mini-Me gonna shoot it, getting it all ready. What are you doing over there, Chase? Getting it ready? Ready for what? Some paint? Are you working or are you sleeping over here?
Sleeping.
Huh? What are you doing? Trying to get the window off so we can take the door panel off and get the door handles off?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good help is hard to find. Right? What's your 2 speeds you work in? Slow and stop? That's your 2 speeds or no? Huh? Yeah? Alright, guys. We'll keep you updated as we go along. Gonna get it all shot hugger orange. Right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or you want it this color?
Hell no.
That's it. It's off to get painted. Got the car over here, all county auto body. Gonna make it orange. Say something, Mini-Me. That's right. This guy's still alive. You all remember Mini-Me?
Gonna paint it up nice for you, Mr. Peter. Don't worry.
There you
Anything
go.
for PD Small Block.
See that? All right.
Stop all operations for PD Small Block.
You guys thought he disappeared, but no, he just bought everything in Freeport and owns half of Freeport now. He's gonna be the mayor in 10 years, so. All right. Guys, we're here. Car's painted. Doing assembly now, getting it back together. Check it out, man. Let me know what you guys think.
God knows I'm Palm Tree King.
That's it, the Palm Tree King
That's
is
it,
here.
man.
We're over here, we're picking up orange juice.
Yep, OJ.
Rob's back there.
Yep.
Look at this. All painted, shined up, gotta get it home. Put on all the accessories. And rock and roll!
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo!
All right, I gotta go find a screwdriver so I can drive this thing home. We'll be back. You guys know Rob?
Yeah.
Say hi, Rob.
Hey,
What up, YouTube?
Palm Tree King.
Got the sun. All right, we gotta move it because Rob's trying to pull out. All right, we're driving it home right now. Get it home, get it together. All right, we got it painted. We're headed home, baby. Fresh drive and orange juice. All painted up, feeling pretty, not looking like a rag. Feels good. Running at 160. Big car. Kylie, you like it?
Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah.
What do you think? Tell me.
Love it.
You love it? You like it? All right, man, it's home. Just don't look the same without that grill. Grill makes it. I'm gonna get this bad boy laid up in there. Oh yeah. And start putting it together, man. All right, little update. First night, got it back. Got the grill on, fog lights in, mirror, the door handles. Still got a lot of stuff to do, but it's starting to look like a car. Just waiting on the chrome bumpers, front windshield molding, some emblems, some little stuff, little details, and we'll have this thing back together in no time, man. Hopefully cruising by the weekend. Man, all right, another day. Just got an order from Ground Up. Got some stuff here. Got our weather stripping lights, reverse lights, locks. Of course, the trunk sticker. Can't do stuff if you don't have this, the OG trunk sticker. We're gonna get the car together, waiting on bumpers, front molding, waiting on some stuff. So as soon as we get the rest of the stuff, we'll have it complete. Hey man, we're back. We got some more presents for the 6'9". Our boy Joseph, aka Fluff, hooked us up with some brand new stuff. All right, man, we got all the boxes opened. Got some really cool stuff here. Got some brand new marker lights with the chrome, with the gaskets, everything. Just so happens we need those. The old ones were looking like shit. Some of them are painted. So it's a nice little score. Nice little score right here. What else? We got some new Camaro emblems. Hood hinges. A seat plate. This is really cool, man. Some wheel well moldings. The whole set. That's gonna look fucking sick on the car. I can't wait. Big thanks again, my man Fluff, hooking us up. All right, it's all done. I mean, it's not all done, but it's getting there. Got some of the badges on here. These nice new hood locks. Just waiting on the front rims to match the back ones. I have them. They're just getting, one of them was bent. It's right there. The other one's getting straightened out right now from when we did hit the wall. Still got to put the moldings around the wheel wells. But I'm waiting on the rocker moldings, then I'll do all that. Representing Tailpipe Mafia. Take a look under there. Full tails. Little street car. I mean, it used to be a race car, so it's still got the good stuff in it. You see that? It's even got the factory radio in there. You're playing around. Got the little booster seat in there. And for the most part, it's pretty much done. Cruising the street in the lacrosse, right? Go up to lacrosse. Got the gear in the back. All right. Street car, right?